Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good, right? Okay, students, let us learn now today accountancy. In accountancy, yesterday we have learned about the purchase returns book, isn't it? We have learned purchasers book, then the purchase returns book. Here, why we prepare this purchase returns book? Sometimes the purchases that we have made is not up to our expectations, or it may be defective, or it may not be as per the samples and the order that we have placed, or it may be of low quality, or we might have received the delivery after a long delay, okay, or the quantity may be less, or for any other reason we may return some of the purchases that we have made. Okay, so when we return the purchases to the suppliers, we need to prepare like invoice. At the time of sales we will prepare invoice, isn't it? But when we return the goods, the purchaser will prepare one debit note. Okay, what does it contain? It contains the maybe the name and address of the person who sent and to whom it is sent, maybe the supplier, and the reason for returning, and along with the full description of the goods. That means the quantity, size and rate or price, then total amount that they are going to sell. So if when we send the goods to the supplier, if we do not receive the amount immediately, then we will enter that one in the purchase returns book. Okay, if we return the money to that buyer, then no matter, isn't it? We have paid money. Here only credit transactions only take place, credit purchases. Okay, so if when we send goods back to the supplier and if we do not receive cash for that goods, then we should prepare the debit note and we should send that debit note along with the goods to the supplier. Okay, because to that extent, to that amount, we will debit the supplier's account. That is why we prepare the debit note. Okay, now let us see one illustration. Okay, illustration 3. Let me read it out. Enter the following transactions in the purchase returns book of Hari, who is dealing in automobiles, and post them into the ledger. Posting we know, isn't it, that we will do. Now, 2017, January 5. Return to Anand 5 clutch plates at the rate of rupees 200 each, not in accordance with the order. Then another return. Returned to Chandran 4 brake shoes at the rate of rupees 200 each and 10 rear view mirrors at the rate of rupees 350 each due to inferior quality. So here we have not seen the format. Okay, I will explain the format of the purchase returns book. Same format only. It starts with date, then particulars. Next one, in the purchasers book we will enter the debit note. Okay, here there we will enter the invoice number. Here we should write the debit note number, then LF, amount, details, total. Then last one column we need to write remarks. Why we returned these goods, the reason for returning, that is called remarks. Okay, the first one we will do. Okay, so one more column remark, and instead of invoice number we should enter the debit note number. That is the difference. Okay, so date we should write first, year, then month, date. Return to Anand 5 clutch plates. So the supplier's name Anand, then the goods description, number, then rate at the rate of rupees 200 each. In the total column only one item, so 1000 rupees. Now we should write the remark, not in accordance with the order. Then January 14, Chandran, returned to Chandran. 4 brake shoes at the rate of rupees 200 each. Here they have given 2 items, so we should write in the details column. 4 into 200, 800. Then 10 rear view mirrors at the rate of rupees 350 each. Here 350 into 10, 3500. Okay, so totally 4300. Okay, now we should write the total of the purchase returns book, 5300. Then here we should write, there in the purchases book we wrote purchases account debtor. Here purchases returns account creditor. Okay, now let us see the ledger accounts. Posting in the ledger. So ledger accounts we should write, first one, purchases returns account. The total we should write purchases account returns account creditor. So credit side we should write by sundry creditors account. Okay, then first creditors account Anand account. Anand account we should debit side to purchase returns account. Then Chandran account to purchase returns account, 4300. Okay, let us see any problem having purchase and purchase returns book. Okay, there is one problem, fourth one. Okay, so let us do this problem now. Okay, from the following information prepare purchase day book. Purchase day book is nothing but purchase book and purchase returns book for the month of June 2017 and post them into ledger accounts in the books of Robert Furniture Mart. So the dealer is Furniture Mart. So all the things that we purchase on credit related to this furniture only goods. Okay, so that one only we should consider as purchases. Any other cash purchases and the purchase of credit, that asset should not be entered. Okay, that you must be very clear. Only credit purchase of goods must be entered. And which one we should not enter? The cash and credit purchase of assets and another one, cash purchases. Okay, these two we should not enter. So we will check what are the items will appear. June 1, purchased from Balu traders 20 chairs at the rate of rupees 150 each on credit. So we need to enter this one in which book? Purchases book. Another one, bought from Subhash and Co on credit. So okay, this one also it will come, isn't it? You will see the items name. 22 Almera at the rate of rupees 3,100 each, 10 tables 1,500 each, 15 chairs 200 each, less 10% trade discount, add freight charges. Okay, in the previous illustration we have seen that we will do. Now June 21, returned 2 damaged chair to Balu traders and cash not received. Okay, the Balu traders is the first customer. There is no discount. Okay. Then June 24, this one we should enter in the purchase returns book. And purchased from Sunrise Furniture Mart on credit, 25 Almera at the rate of rupees 1,300 each. This one also purchases book. And purchased from Mauli traders on credit, 10 executive tables, 3,275 each. Then 29, return 3 Almera to Sunrise Furniture marked and cash not received. So this one also we should enter in the purchase returns book. So we will prepare first the purchases book. Okay. Purchases book. First we should write the heading, then column, isn't it? Purchases book to total, isn't it? To total, 1 LF, 1 invoice, then date, isn't it? So first we will prepare the purchases book. First write the number. Okay. Question number 4. Purchases book. In the books of we can write, isn't it? In the books of Robert Furniture Mart. You write fully, okay students? Since I have less space, I am writing like this. Okay. Now date, particulars, invoice number, LF, details, total. Here rupees. Okay. Now first one, purchased from Balu Traders. So write the date, 2017 June 1. Balu Traders. Balu Traders. What we are purchasing? 20 chairs at the rate of rupees 150 each. So only one item, isn't it? We will write in the outer column. Okay. So how many 0? 2 0. Then 15 into 2, 30. 3000. Then bought from Subhash and Co. June 13. So Subhash and Co. The description, to Almera at the rate of rupees 3,100. So inside we will write 6,200. Okay. And 10 table 1,500 each. So 15,000. 15 chair at the rate of rupees 200. 3,000. Okay, we will add this amount because we need to deduct the trade discount. Okay, less trade discount. How much? 10%. 10 by 100 into 24,200. Here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0. 2,420. Simply we can do 1 0 we need to cut and write. That's all. 10%. No need to calculate this one. Okay. 10 minus 2, 8. 11 minus 4, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 21,780. Now, freight charges. Freight charges 220. Now you add and write here 0, 10, 10, balance 1. Okay. Then June 21 returned goods, isn't it? Then June 24 Sunrise Furniture Mart. Furniture Mart. 25 Almera. At the rate of rupees 1,300. Okay. We should multiply, isn't it? 25 into 13. 3 5s are 15. Balance 1, 7. 1 5 is 5, 2. 5, 12. So 325. 325 and 2 0. So 30. We will write in the outer column, isn't it? 32,500. Then June 24 we have written. June 27 Mowgli Traders. Executive table at the rate of 3,275. So one more 0 we need to add, isn't it? 32750. Isn't it multiplying this one by this one? We need to add 1 0 along with this number. That's all. Now we will add and write. Okay, 0, 5, 12. Balance 1, 3, 5, 7. Plus 3, 10. Balance 1, 3, 6. Plus 3, 9. How we will write? Purchases account debtor. Okay, this amount. Now, purchase returns book. Purchase returns book, we need to write one column for the remark. Okay. Remark. Now, only one detail column, I think small, we do not need. Okay, then LF. Then debit note number, then date. Date, particulars, debit note number, LF, then detail, total, remark. Okay, then we will write the heading, purchase returns book. We will see. Okay, date, which date? Purchase returns June 21, 2017, June 21. Okay, returned to damaged to Balu Traders. So the supplier's name, Balu Traders. To chair. we should find out the amount. Value traders. June 1st, we bought from value traders chair 150 each. So we have to write at the rate of 150. How much we will get? 300, isn't it? No reason is given. Okay, no need to write. Then another one. Last June 29, returned 3 Almera to Sunrise Furniture Mart. So you write the supplier name Sunrise Furniture Mart. The description 3 Almera at the rate of from Sunrise when we bought June 24 from Sunrise Furniture Mart 25 Almeras at 1300 each. So how much we will get? 3900. So we need to write the total 4200. Okay, here we should write purchase returns account. Creditor. Okay, this amount we need to post. So 2 books we have prepared. Now they have, what is the question? We should read the problem. Prepare purchase day book and purchase returns book and post them into ledger accounts in the books of Robert Furniture Mart. So all the ledger accounts we need to prepare. We should post them in the ledger accounts. To amount column. Then LF, then date, particulars date. Okay. Debtor, creditor. Okay. Now date, particulars, JF. Okay, rupees. Date, particulars, JF, rupees. Then ledger accounts. First ledger accounts, which one? Purchases account we will prepare. Okay, purchases account. Purchases account, how we write? Purchases account to debit side we should write to the date of that end of the month, isn't it? June 30. So 2017 June 30 to sundry creditors account. Total of the purchases book we need to write. Okay, total of the purchases book is 90,250. Purchases account debtor. So 90,250. Okay, then we will post all the suppliers account. First one, value traders account. Okay, everything. Value traders account 3000, isn't it? So here buy purchases account. Date 2017 June. Value traders on which date? June 1. By purchases account. How much we have calculated? Value traders 3000. Okay. Then Subhash and Co account. The same way 2017 June 13. Okay. How much net amount we can write? 22,000 by purchases account. $22,000. Then Sunrise Furniture Mart account. Date 2017 June 24. By purchases account. By purchases account 32,500. Okay, then Mowgli Traders account. Date 27 2017 June 27 by purchases account. $32,750. Okay, then purchase returns account. Purchase returns account. So here purchase returns account credit side 4,200, isn't it? So 2017 June last date. Okay, by sundry creditors account. $4,200. Okay, now value traders account. What we should write? In value traders we should write to purchase returns account. To purchase returns account. Date 2017 June 21. Amount 300. Okay. And Sunrise Furniture Mart, same. 2017 June 29 to purchase returns account. You have to write to, okay. 3,900. If we need to balance them, we need to do this. Okay, students, so you have to copy down these accounts. Okay, we have completed only one exercise. Okay, complete this exercise and write it in your notebook. Okay, students, thank you very much.